Next you have up is malleable iron. So that is the material in which the connectors are made. So this family of three we have here are all made of malleable iron. They also have an extra gasket below the lock nut, which is to ensure that the connector stays watertight. Well, not so much the connector, but the box in which you're installing stays watertight. And that's what that red watertight fitting is. We have here a 45-degree angle connector. We have a 90-degree connector. And we also have a straight. So now all three of these connectors, based on the job you're doing, you choose the fitting that works best for you. The malleable iron connectors come in sizes 3/8 up to 6 inches. The next connectors, they're also malleable iron. So you'll see the relationship is equal. The only addition is the lug. That grounding lug is what is different on this. So on the actual bushing, you'll notice based on the size of your connector, the lug will increase in size to accommodate the grounding wire that you're going to install. The same gland is there to make sure that the connector keeps the water outside of your enclosures. That's what this red is here. And once again, these particular connectors are made of malleable iron, and they come in 90 degree, 45, and straight. So as you see here, here's your straight connector. And this is your 45 degree. So based on the application, you would choose the connector that was best suited for the job. For more information about Topaz products, please visit our website.